GBPUSD this week has risen in value. We can see that after the price formed a bullish breakout in the previous week, the price continued to rise in value on a Monday. But there was a strong week on the lower side, where we can see the price try to move at 1.32794. And this one has not made a bearish breakout, but it has continued to rise in value, forming a bullish candle. This means just that the previous resistance, which has been broken on a Friday, has just been confirmed as the next support, and then the price continued to rise in value to the next resistance level, which was 1.34115. When they reach that resistance, the price has returned back down with a strong bearish engulfing candle, but the price did not return back down all the way, suggesting further decline in value. But it has returned back up with a strong bullish candle, where the price has closed the day above these two candles, open and close. On a Friday, the price has returned back down, bouncing from this 1.34115 supply zone, the resistance level, but usually also this is a signal for the Friday when the traders get out and log their profits. The week has ended as a confirmation of the previous week bullish breakout with the next bullish candle. We can see that above 1.32794, and the month has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that the 3 months in a row, the bulls have continued to push the price higher and higher and closes the month above this area. This is also a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame, suggesting further rise in value, and we can see that. What are the next levels where the price could stop is around this area here, where is the wick very close to this one. We can see the small support and the resistance level, and the next one will be around 1.35. We can see that. After that, the next resistance and supply zone is around 1.37231. Will the price manage to make a breakout? We can see the next 1.34115 is the next resistance for the price on the weekly time frame, and especially on the daily, we can see how the price looks. 1.35491 is the next resistance for the price in order to continue to 1.37231. As it looks right now, this looks much more bullish than it is a bearish, so I'm expecting on a Monday and the next week the price will continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout. Why do I know that? Because I'm expecting that the price has tried to push the price higher for the last 3 days. On a Friday, it is a day where the price, when the traders logs their profit. So this is a small return back down, a retrace, bounce from this area supply zone. So I'm expecting that the price will try to manage to make a bullish breakout above. This is also based on the strategy I can share with you. It will be inside an email. You can get that for free. It is, of course, you can check the link below and get it into your email box. This is all for this week. See you next time. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.